Scallywags, the scallywags. Right, so I'm going to head to the old lion enclosure, which is that tree line right at the back. So it's behind this copy. But I'm going to head this way over the damn wall. Time to stretch a lung. Okay, relax. A whole bunch of impala down here at the bottom of the damn wall. Don't worry dudes, I'm going. I'm headed all the way to that copy there. On a farm this size, the maintenance is non-stop. I mean, the staff here are always busy with something. Looks like they're busy with some road maintenance. I was lucky enough to wake up this morning while having coffee to a herd of eland a couple hundred meters away, eating on the kopje opposite to camp. And some of the big bulls were there, which I haven't seen yet. I've seen mostly the eland cows, and I saw a couple of young bulls that side. They're always awesome to see. I mean, this farm is full of animals, but it's such a big piece of land. Not going to get to see them all. So from the zebra to the giraffe to all the different kinds of buck, your eland, water buck, hartebeest, probably missing a few, but and besides all the other creatures, all your jackal, they sing just about every night till about 6 in the morning because it's still kind of dark. It's awesome to hear them in the back. And then they got the hyena, I think they got the brown hyena here. And obviously your leopard, which passed through the farms here. There's a lot of surrounding farms, so and your aardvark and all your hares and spring hares, and the amount of bird species here is something else. I've already seen the black eagle twice, some other big predatory birds, not sure what they were, and then all your different species that have been hanging around me since I've been here at camp, keeping me company. Climb in over yet. Oh yeah. Onto a plane. Oh my soul. Right, I've just got to the top of the incline here at the lion enclosure. I mean, look at that awesome view behind me. That is awesome. And get some hydration. It is hot today. It is hot. Yeah, some nice ice cold borehole water. Yeah, so as you can see, I don't have cycling kit, but yeah, I just can't manage to bring myself to squeeze my junk into a pair of ski pants. I don't care how comfortable you tell me they are. I'd honestly rather risk landing on a nut somewhere. Yeah, so I just cycle shorts and t-shirt. Okay, I've got my old boots on, but I'm in the bush, so yeah, so I'm gonna keep on with the cycle through the other side of the old lion enclosure, which is here. Head back to camp, maybe have something to eat, and then I want to take a ride out in the bucky, which I haven't done. Maybe go to family huts, hikers huts, and just do a bit of a ride once I'm done with this. Yeah, so let's head to it. Oh, I can just imagine the leopard in here. Perfect high point, lots of rocks, lots of cover. Oh, downhill for a change, lovely. On this exact road a couple of years ago, me and my younger brother Gabriel, he was driving, I was having a beer, and not watching where he was going, just off the side of the road, landed my front right wheel of the bucky into a warthog hole. And I mean, yeah, the back left tire was pretty much in the air. Thank God for 4x4. Yeah, she managed to pull herself out alright, but yeah, it dropped it right to the chassis pretty much. That's one thing you've got to watch for when riding, is warthog holes. Okay, so this is almost on the perimeter. This is the perimeter fence for the next farm. On my right. Oh, nice to have a bit of a downhill for a change. Woo! Riding at speed as well, you never know what's going to come out of the bushes when you startle them and get taken out. Oh, there goes a whole bunch of water from the neighbour's farm. I love those things. Wait. Some speed for this climb. Oh, they're coming my way. Oh, they're going up the road. Oh, there's some big males. Dang. There's some big male eland. They're just eyeballing me. And that is our biggest antelope. Buck. I'm just gonna cut through here. Yeah, they're just checking me out. Yeah, they're just moving on. There's a stray wildebeest following. Oh, cut back this way. Whew. There's always water and wet marks, so there's a lot of, I think the groundwater table must be really good here. I mean, I've seen the water seeping out of the mountains where I've been stuck before. Shit, am I going the right way? No, I am not. Man, if I had money, I'd buy this place. Man, I just love these views. They're just so long, they're never ending. What up, Mr. Zebra? Seen a lot of young zebra, young buck of all sorts, plenty young vervet monkeys. Shit, they're heading to my road. No, go the other way, punks. Out of the way. I'm gonna corral them in. That's better. See you later, dudes. Oh, pleasure to have some downhill. Most of the way there was uphill. So this is the first time I've ever cycled here, and I'll tell you what, man, I'm enjoying it. It's just really awesome to cycle. The roads are good. It's just nice to be out in the open. You feel free. You can just see the expanse of animals wherever you go. Yeah, I've really been enjoying it. I've only usually ridden my bucky to get to places, but this beats the hell out of it, I'll tell you that. But I mean, look at this view, Daddy. I love this view. And me, I love being near the water. It's when I'm happy. Yeah, it was just a very short, quick cycle. Get the blood going. I still enjoyed that. Good stuff. thing. Every time you get back to camp, you got to kind of do a little inspection and see where he's tried. Oh no, the big ants out. Bastards. Whew. So far so good. Ah, cool. I think it's time for a breakfast beer.